Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF with ChatGPT. So generate and download the file directly using ChatGPT uh, or use specific layout formatting to export the text to external tools. All right, so I will show you this direct download method, which I pretty much use 90% of the time. So I think it works for me. So I will show you just right now how to do that. All right, let's go straight into it. So what I really like to do that I have organized everything here in ChatGPT or some other AI tools. I will go here to the project and here we will create new project and I will name this one create PDF. All right. It's not necessary. So, but if you want to have more organized things, you will have then here in this project just PDFs that you have created. So now what we can do, we can here add some files, recent files, some images and so on. But the most important thing is that we create a prompt for PDF. So I will paste in here my example, write a formal invoice template for a consulting business. Once the text is finalized, use Python's report lab or FPDF library to compile it into a beautiful style PDF file with proper margins and alignment. Provide a direct download link for the PDF file. I will send this prompt to ChatGPT and now he will start working on it. So now you can see here that we have download PDF link right over here and also some explanation what it's included and some suggestion for further um, that he create more premium version of this PDF. So now if I click on here, download and open up this file, you can see that it's pretty good. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.